OSCR360 is being used to keep students and faculty safer by being implemented into their emergency response plans. The two-part system allows users to create, organize, document, and present various safety and emergency response plans. This can include your reunification plans, evacuation plans, and any other components of your standard response protocol.
Visually walk through safety plans using OSCR360 images, noting security features and points of interest such as fire extinguishers, AEDs, evacuation routes, security cameras, medication storage, utility shutoffs, and more. Incorporate blueprints and building maps within your OSCR360 projects as a reference point for OSCR360 images, providing additional context and clarity.
OSCR360 allows pertinent parties to virtually walk through and train on any and all emergency response plans, ensuring that your school keeps students and staff safety a #1 priority.
It's a powerful tool that I want to share. It's about being prepared as best you can. It's a very easy system to use. I love OSCR. It's great.